This is Reactions with A, but today we're not doing a reaction video. Today I'm going to dye my hair a little dyeing dreads tutorial video. So I'm going to do blonde. See if y'all see that, lightest blonde, 7G. So what we're going to do is going to put this in this bottle. But first, get all your supplies. Get your gloves. You don't want to mess up your hands. Scrunchies to divide your hair. Got some activator, but probably not going to use that because that's what this is for. And then booster packet. First we're going to put this in this. Then I'm going to see if it turns it blonde. If it don't, I'm going to put some of this in here. See if it'll boost it up. But right now, we're just going to put my gloves on. I don't need that much gloves. Just two. Maybe like 4 sections or so. 4 sections, and leave the small ones out. And then if you got any like accessories or anything in your hair, make sure you take that out first, so you can dye, so the tips can get dyed too. Okay, then you want to put some Vaseline or castor oil or something on your edges. Gloves on. Sleeves up. Let's put this stuff. Okay. I think I used this brand before. I didn't really like it. That's why I went to this. Some people usually use this too, with the little activator. Usually at 50 or 20. I'm gonna try to dye the bangs first. See if it works. If not, I'm gonna put that booster cream in it. Then we'll see. All right, let's start with one. I'm gonna try to put some in your hands. Usually other hair, they have the little comb where you just brush it on there. I don't really think that works with dreads, so you gotta kind of get messy. I feel like we're gonna need the activator in here. Pretty sure we're gonna need the activator. If this stuff don't work, I'm gonna use that powder stuff. I did this before. I did it with the foil too. Like, you have to put foil around each dread as you were putting on the dye. But that kind of takes too long. Just gonna go with the the faster process. Yeah, just kind of make sure that's rubbed in. I don't know, squeeze it in. Squeeze it if you can. Comment, like, subscribe. Ouch. Let me know if y'all see some. I don't know if y'all see some change. I know the ones that's blonde already, they're gonna be even more blonder. start with this side. Kind of put it in your hair. I'm kind of doing it like putting in there like it's conditioner and stuff. Since I ain't got no book, kind of harder with dreads to kind of make sure it's rubbed in there all the way. And while y'all looking, just comment any videos y'all want me to react to. I'll probably react to a hair video after this, a dread tutorial type video on dyeing dreads to see what I did wrong or what I did differently. Like I said, I'm gonna finish this whole bottle. That's probably if it never worked for you, any of you guys. Right, because you're not using the whole bottle. You gotta make sure it's on there, rubbed in there. Much. This is a little quicker. Told you. Do this. About to use this powder stuff, this activator. This stuff, this junk should work. Should definitely work. Should definitely work now. Elsewhere. Rub that in. Just gotta make sure this hair everywhere. You gotta soak this thing in. Like you gotta squeeze it. Start dyeing that one. Put some dye on that. Rub it in. Okay. Some dye on this one. This is a small one. Don't want it on there too much. Okay. Now this shit better. See if these ones, see if they turn. I think I'm starting to see some change. Alright, so this is the results after putting in the dye. Alright, and then I'm trying to find me some color dye. Can't use that. Well, maybe you can. Hold on. Kind of late for that now. Yeah, it's kind of late for that now. But yeah, I'm gonna get to washing it, and then I'm gonna see the results after that. Alright, welcome back. Alright, I'm back. This is the final results. It came out alright. It came out alright. Let's check out the back. Came out alright, so I'm just saying it came out alright. It's one of my longest ones. My hair ain't never been this long. Alright, so yeah, these are the results. Ain't too bad. Now I gotta go retwist my hair. You don't want to retwist your hair too much because it will break off. Like I feel this one will break off eventually if I don't do something with this one. Because it's a little heavy, and once you get that weight on it, it'll pull your roots like crazy. This is my how to dye your dreads dread update, dread tutorial, how to keep up with them. Don't retwist too much. When you're starting off, try not to retwist for a whole month. And then Yeah, that's it. I started these about 4 years ago. I started them off and it was about half of this size. Yeah. My hair could never go in a ponytail. I had to struggle to put that thing in a ponytail. But yeah, I could put that thing in a ponytail any type of way I want. What I've been working on is really just, at first my hair, my edges was not like these. It was a little worse. I had to redo some dreads. That's why some of them are small. I've been redoing them over time. Now that's why the back is a little shorter than the rest. But the back is just now starting to grow. It's catching up. But that's it. Yep, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. Woo.